Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Again, thank you for all your prayers. I'm in the mall and I found one of my followers. Actually, I've met 5 of you guys today, but we were just talking about something that I said, you know what, let me shoot this because it's going to help bless a lot of people. What's your name?
Benet.
Benet?
Yeah.
Benet what?
Benet Clayton.
Benet Clayton.
And you can put the junior on there too.
All right, Junior. So I want to talk about this because we're approaching the year end, and we're just talking about how to build real wealth. And he asked me, how long was I in it before I became comfortable, right? And what I told him was the things that really build wealth is not sexy. It's not the sexy thing. It's not the hot stock. It's not those big things. It's the mindset. So I was telling him I literally started with $100, and I was starting with small cap stocks, right? Penny stocks pretty much. And I just learned how things worked. Then I also told him I committed to listening to CNBC. This was back in the day for 15 minutes a day, though I didn't understand anything that they were saying. But after 30 days, I started understanding a lot just by watching like 15 minutes. So what are some of the questions that you think people would want to know, want to ask?
Well, definitely how long it takes, how long generally does it take for a person to truly understand how the market works until they're actually a profitable trader? That's one of them. What's the best type of trading to do, whether it be
like
long
swing
terms,
trading, long term,
swing, or what's the daily
day trading,
day trading,
yeah,
day
options
trading.
and stuff like that.
That's definitely a very important one because I know when I just started researching and everything on it, I didn't know when to pick which one to do, whether it was swinging, because based on the market and everything.
Right.
So
Right.
That's a couple of the questions I could think of off the top of my head.
Okay. Well, here's what I'm going to tell you guys. Always start, and a lot of people will back me up on this. I would start with the S&P 500. Always start with long-term investing. This is not financial advice. Anything I say, it's not. It's just for you to buy, hold, and sell. Got to do the disclaimer. But this is what I tell my loved ones and my friends in this family, right? I'm just a guy on YouTube talking. I would say start with 80% minimum of your money just buying the S&P 500 via an ETF, right? Mm-hmm. And an ETF, exchange traded funds, is just, you're basically buying 500 companies all with one ticker symbol.
Right.
There's many ways to do it. You can buy the overall stock market or the top 500. You hear stuff like VTI, which is the entire stock market, VOO, which is the S&P 500.
Okay.
We have been in VUG for a while, and shout out to Keenan Grace. He showed y'all how VUG has been absolutely killing the game, and we've been in it for heavy now for about a year because we started getting into it at the bottom of Liberation Day. So one of the things, good people, we talked about, I want you guys to know, is how I look for opportunity on red days.
Okay.
We were just talking about Elon, right? We were talking about Doge, and then we were talking about how Tesla was like 400 and something.
Right.
And then when he got onto Doge and people were burning Teslas and all of that, it went from 4 something down to 2 something. So it lost almost 50% of its value. What I suggest to you guys is start looking for a good company, price to earnings. I talked about that. PE, price over earnings, which is earnings divided by price, right? PE, and look at what is the growth potential.
Okay.
Do you think Tesla, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, Netflix, do you think it's just a short-term thing, or do you see the future? Nvidia, I said that. Do you think the future is bigger with these companies or smaller? And if you think the future is bigger with these companies, then you look for opportunity to buy. And so for Tesla, for me, with the robotics, with the autonomous driving, I see the future as bigger than it is now.
Right.
So what did I do? So we just wait for opportunity for stuff like that to happen. So right now you got Nvidia, it has cooled off, and a lot of people say it has peaked out and it has a high PE, but the truth be told, you should be looking for an entry level to buy and accumulate and hold for long term, right?
Okay. Yeah.
I'm gonna shift to Bitcoin, same deal.
Oh, man.
All right.
I'm smashed under there right now.
Okay.
Not actually, I haven't bought a Bitcoin, but in cryptocurrency, I have bought at a certain, what was it? XR, well, no, my XRP is good. Forgot what it was, Bonk. That's the one I was in. I was doing good.
Right.
And then
it dropped.
I kept trying to go back.
Right.
But I didn't pay attention to the signs, and it just dropped, and now I'm stuck in there. But I'm no options or anything, so I can wait it out until it
well, guess who else has bunks?
Oh yeah,
me.
Yeah, for sure.
Right. Now, remember when I said the stop loss, and then I also said, like, for months now, I've been saying I'm not buying anymore. I'm not dollar cost averaging because it's not the time to be buying meme coins right now, right? So let me go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now, to me, the best time to buy Bitcoin, anywhere from 14 to 16 months before the halving. And then you say, Larry, when is the next halving? That's your homework. Google, when is the next halving? It won't be an exact day or time. It's an estimate, right? Based on how Bitcoin is being added to the blockchain. But then you write in your calendar, I would say 14 to 16 months before then. I would start at 14 months before then, and I would start to not dump all your money in, just start dollar cost averaging.
Okay.
Right there.
So
and that's Bitcoin.
Safe point to
that's
get
a
in.
safe point to get in after crypto winter. And that doesn't mean that Bitcoin can't hit all-time highs in 2026, which it still could. Now, the opportunity of that happening, the window of opportunity is getting smaller and smaller, but there's still a chance that crypto could turn around.
Okay.
And we could still end up higher in 2026 before crypto winter comes.
Okay.
Right? So this is what I'm saying, that being wealthy is not the sexy stuff, because that takes patience, right? It's not the next hot play, but that's what builds the true wealth.
Okay.
And if you ask me where I would say 70% of my money right now it's in ETFs. It's in ETFs. It's safe. Safer. So it's not going to plunge as much when these individual companies plunge as much, but it doesn't go up as much. So what we're going to do is look for opportunity, because here's what I think could, not will. You can't come back here and say, Larry said this will happen. I'm saying that this could happen. What could happen is we could have a drawdown as early as January. And that drawdown could be anywhere from somewhere around 18%.
Okay.
And when I say 18%, it could be 15, it could be 21% in the S&P and 500. What's going to happen is people are going to see that and freak out like they did in Tesla. I'm not touching it.
Right.
It's going to zero. The S&P 500 is never going to zero. And what you're going to do is miss the opportunity. I will be on this platform saying I'm buying. And people are going to say you crazy. And I will be buying heavy.
Yeah. Hey man, that's a factor, because I've seen it before in your videos.
Exactly.
So,
And you see me, I'll say I'm buying, right? But I also think, and most analysts think, that 2026 will be an up year. You know why?
Nope.
Midterm elections. The biggest thing that's happening to the stock market right now, well, the economy, is people are feeling the bite of inflation. Of my wages are not matching how much stuff costs. The economy. And so the president knows that. We got midterms coming in 2026.
Okay.
And he's going, and there's a lot of stuff in the big, beautiful bill in 2026, you got the no taxes on, for the waitresses up to a certain amount, no taxes on Social Security. There's a lot of money in the big, beautiful bill that's going to find its way to the stock market. And the president is going to do whatever he can to have a strong stock market. This is what I believe in 2026.
Okay.
But we may get a hit first. Knowing this right now, that hit first will be an absolute blessing and an opportunity.
That's actually
Again. Yes, sir.
I've been from the videos that I watch and from CNBC, from people like Tom Lee.
Yes.
When I listen to those videos and they say, there might be a hit at some point, possibly early on in the year, that's actually kind of what I'm waiting on to get in, get a good spot in. I got some entry points right now, but I'm definitely waiting on that to capitalize on. So
there you go. So we're going to be firemen and firewomen when the fire happens, and then we're just going to be patient. Now, if you do buy and it goes below where you bought it, don't freak out.
Right.
If you buy and let's say the market you buy is negative 15%, and then it goes negative 18%. What happens is people freak out and then they get back out. So they buy low and then they sell lower, and then just like Tesla, it'll turn around and rebound, and you've traded on emotions.
And as they say, you don't lose money until you actually pull your money out. So
exactly. So again, to build really generational wealth, it's the unsexy stuff, man. So hey, man, we're gonna leave it right there. I just got stopped. Like, this is the 5th time I got stopped today. I was just getting out. You guys know what season I'm in, and I just got out here walking around the mall to air my head out after losing my dad. I appreciate that, but I need to get back in, dip my toe back in. I wasn't going to talk today, but this brother stopped me and he was like, "Oh, you real, man?" And I'm like,
"Believe this, man." And let me shout out to the people who even got me started on this journey, which is, they don't know me. I know them obviously because of videos, just like Larry's. Chris Sane, Keenan Grace for sure, and Stocks with Josh.
Yep.
All 3 of y'all, man. When I tell you y'all, and those videos have helped out and made it seem very realistic, it's the honest truth, man. It is the honest truth.
And all 3 of those brothers have reached out to me, including Stockmo, have reached out to me over and over during this time. These are real guys, man. We're real people, and we're concerned about real wealth. Because we can't get all of this money. We want you guys to partake of it too. Now, tomorrow, I got a guy that's going to shoot a video for me. His name is Money Mike. It used to be Spy Lord.
I know.
He's going to talk about options, because it may be a choppy year next year. And then we're going to learn how to make money, whether the stock is going down or the stock is going up. I have a full chapter in Stock Up You. That's going to be the top link below. And use coupon code MONEY, MONEY. And he's going to be shooting and uploading that video tomorrow, because it's time to shine a light on him too. Just like we're doing on Camila Stevenson. There's new people that I'm bringing in this year. And I'm going to be committed to bringing new people every year into this space. That's going to be a blessing to the family, right? You know how I sign off? You don't remember how I sign off? Live, love, laugh, and learn.
No, I look at too many of them. I do not remember, man. I remember a few people's, but no, not that one, man.
Okay, you just said, he said, "What's up, good people?" He remembered to sign on. So I'm going to sign off. What's your name again?
Benet.
Yeah. Hey, it's a pleasure talking to you. All right, good people. We'll talk to you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.